Hey guys, welcome back to another Moondog trading video. I just wanted to give you an update from yesterday's video. So far, everything we talked about in yesterday's video um, is exactly what we talked about. A possible pullback. I had 38.25 area. It did pull back to 38,342. So I was, what, $70 off around that area. I didn't do the exact math, but around that area. So I was a little bit off, a couple dollars off, but not off by much. We had the pullback, we had the bounce. So yeah, if you guys would even bought that and traded it right now, you're still making a little bit of money. And guys, everything I say, I'm not a financial advisor. Everything I say is just my opinion, educational purposes only. So anyways, we're going to talk about Ethereum as well, because Ethereum chart is just so interesting to me. But we got the pullback on Bitcoin that we talked about. I'll do later today. I'm going to do another video where I'm going to go more in depth with all this this charting. But I just wanted to give you guys a quick update. We did get a bounce. Let's see how this reacts, and let's see how the daily closes. We're still on this trend, going up in this trend, but we don't want to see the daily close under here. And if I zoom in, you can see this purple line right here is the 100-day moving average, which we're still battling that. We still can't get a close above that. We got a couple wicks, but we have not got a close above that. So let's see how this bounce reacts. Let's see if it comes back down and maybe tests this trend line, or we just trade sideways like I talked about and maybe come down a little bit lower. Because in the end, we're still waiting for this big bump and run right here, this line right here. I'm still waiting on this big bump and run. So if we do lose this trend, we could maybe come back and do like a rollover, something like this, and then flirt around, then go. That could be a possibility. So we'll keep an eye on that. Or it could just keep going. I mean, it still hasn't broke the trend. Trend is your friend. That was yesterday's video. We still haven't broke this trend on the daily. So until we do that, I'm still bullish. Okay. Once we do that, then we might look for lower levels. But right now we did get our bounce where we thought we were going to get it, basically around the trend and basically on my trend line that I had here. Also, on this, I did draw a little wedge on this chart, which was a little bit closer to our target. I had 38.96 on this one, which was a little bit closer. Sometimes, guys, you could listen, with Bitcoin, with wicks, if you're $50 to $60, $70 off with wick on a target, you're doing pretty good. I mean, there's always a potential give or take $100 or a couple $100, right? So when you're less than $100 off your target, you're doing pretty good when you're hitting your targets on Bitcoin. Okay, so now we're going to go to Ethereum chart. Actually, real quick, we're going to look at before I leave the Bitcoin, we are going to look at the ribbons. Now, the ribbons on the 4-hour, we came down. Okay, you can see how we couldn't fight out of my little triangle within the pattern here. I don't know where this trend. I think this is from a long-term trend, but it always looks different on the 4-hour compared to the daily, and I'll give you an example of that on Ethereum in a minute. But right now on the 4-hour, we are fighting the 20 at its top, which is going to act like resistance. Now, if we get a 4-hour candle close, which we have 2 hours and 38 minutes, if we get a 4-hour candle close under, it looks like $39,115 area, then this could act as resistance. Right now, it's really doing nothing because we haven't had a 4-hour candle close. We still got 2 hours left, 2 hours and 38 minutes. In 2 hours, this thing could be up here. So just keep that in mind, though. That could act as resistance if we do get a close underneath there. As you can see, that could be a potential problem, or maybe go lower down in the chart. So we'll keep an eye on that on the ribbons. Let's go to the 1 hour. The 1 hour, you could see we are coming down out of the 1 hour, and we're getting the rollover. Okay. This was a good bounce where we had our target, our area. So we did get the bounce, but let's see if it continues or this starts bringing us back down a little bit. So that's on the ribbons. And if you guys don't know how to get there, templates, MAEXP ribbon. And And that's how we get there. And guys, I just started this channel, so much love for all you guys that subbed. I really appreciate you guys. Please sub to my channel if you're watching my videos. It helps me out. It helps YouTube get my videos out there as well. So Ethereum, guys, we hit our targets. We went through all of our targets. We had a target here, boom, took a little bit, took a little bit, took a little bit here. I had some here. We took a little bit more. And then, like I talked about in yesterday's video, we rolled down. And guys, look at this. I had 23.24. Our low was 23.17. I was, a couple dollars off on that. We talked about this possibly coming down on a 4-hour. But I talked about this on a daily. This can roll over on a 4-hour. But we want to see if on the daily, if it closes underneath this trend. Because if it closes underneath this trend, then yeah, we could see some more downside short term. I believe, but if we get some downside and we do get a rejection off of this 21 or anywhere in this box, 2156 area or anywhere in this box, a possible another opportunity would be, yeah, okay, I see this. Let's draw this up. Another bounce opportunity. Did that not work? What happened? Oh no, we're doing a fib. No, we don't want a fib. We want this. Another opportunity would be around 2247 area. Could be another potential bounce area. So if you're not in it, you can look for that. So we're waiting for a daily candle close underneath this. If it shoots back above, then we're going to look for more upside, okay, in this trend, and possibly eventually breaking this W if that happens. If not, then yeah, we could see a little bounce. Everything's looking strong, so I'm expecting not too much of a downfall. If this area doesn't hold at 2247, give or take a couple dollars, give or take 10, 15 bucks. If that doesn't hold, then yeah, we'll look for this area next for a potential bounce area. So let's keep this in mind, guys. But we did hit our targets, which is awesome. And yeah, we can buy back cheaper right now if we wanted to, or potential wait for the bounce and get in a little cheaper there. We'll play that by ear, or guys, you get back in where you got out of it. That could be also if it starts looking bullish and it turns right. We still got to wait until 8 o'clock tonight to get our daily close on Sunday. Well, my time it's 8 o'clock Eastern U.S. Time. So that's when we get our next daily candle close. So that's what we look out for. If you're on the West Coast or in another country or whatever the case may be, of course, it'll be a different time there. On the ribbons, let's go to the ribbons one more time because I do want to look at the weekly, and then I'm going to end this video, and then I'll do an update later tonight for you guys. And we do, like I said, by Sunday, 8 o'clock Eastern, we want to close above this purple or this top line on the ribbons, okay? Might be different on your chart, but this is the 21 EMA, and we definitely want to close above this, okay, for more upside. All right, that'll be bullish anyways. We could get more upside regardless, but that would be the more bullish thing for Bitcoin to happen. So listen, much love to you guys. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure you guys sub to my channel. We're nailing everything once again. I just started this channel about 5 or 6 weeks ago. You guys are much love for all you guys that are subbing to my channel. Make sure you guys hit the bell, hit the all, so you get my videos notifications right away, so we can keep this thing going. I'm gonna start trying to post 2 times a day at least, maybe even more depending on these updates. I was doing 1 time a day for a little bit, just because I was dealing with some family things that I've been dealing with. So, but that's on my personal life. But I'm gonna try to post to you guys more. But listen, much love to you guys. Thank you guys for subbing. Make sure if you guys watch my video, sub please. That's all I'm asking. I'm doing this for free. I'm not putting any links in this. I'm not trying to get any money from you guys. I'm just asking for love. I want to show love to you guys. I expect love back. That's all I want. That's all I'm trying to do here. So much love to you guys, and peace out.